Welcome to AstroBites 101. This is your place for bite-sized astrology insights with an energetic and aesthetic twist. Think of it as a blend of astrology, energy work, somatic healing, auras, and manifestation. All the good stuff to help you connect more deeply with yourself. A little bit about me. I'm a double Sag, so Sagittarius Sun and Rising. So I'm all about exploring new opportunities and seeing the big picture. I've also been told I can be honest to a fault. My Aquarius moon makes me super curious and very independent, and with Mars also in Aquarius, I'm all about taking action in unique, sometimes unusual, and creative ways, like starting this channel. Here we'll explore how astrological energy connects with your personal energy fields. Together, we'll learn how to use astrology to align with your highest potential. Here's a taste of what we'll cover. Crystals and astrology, like how to use crystals to boost your energy. Manifestation practices, like how to set powerful intentions by aligning with astrological cycles. Energy work, like how astrology and energy influence your emotions and well-being. And aesthetics and astrology, how your style and surroundings can impact your energy and mood. Astrology isn't just about the stars, it's about our culture and how that energy flows through you, shaping your mindset, emotions, and manifestations. And that's exactly what we'll explore together. You might notice I'm not on camera. That's because I'm on my own healing journey with body image and body dysmorphia. Sharing these videos is part of my own process, and I hope it encourages you to explore your own healing too. So if you're ready to dive into the universe within and around you, hit subscribe. Let's explore astrology, energy, healing, and manifestation together. See you soon on AstroBites 101.